Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a working email, basic computer skills, and payment method if you want the verified certificate. Next, select the specific Google certificate that matches your goals: IT support, data analytics, project management, or UX design. Once chosen, pick the platform offering the credential. Coursera often hosts these, or use the official Google Career Certificates portal. Make sure to compare costs and estimated hours per week, and then click Enroll so you can access the first course. Once enrolled, follow the structured weekly schedule and commit consistent time, typically 5 to 10 hours each week, to make steady progress. Work through video lessons, hands-on labs, graded quizzes, and the capstone project, because those practical components are what employers value. Make sure to post questions in discussion forums and request feedback on assignments. Collaborative input speeds learning. Also, download any templates or cheat sheets provided, and periodically review prior modules to retain core concepts and reinforce practical techniques. To finish, submit all required quizzes and the capstone, then confirm completion in your course dashboard so you can download the verified certificate. After that, add the certificate to LinkedIn, your resume, and job applications. Highlight the specific skills and projects you completed because employers care about tangible outcomes. If something goes wrong, first clear your browser cache and try a different browser, then consult the platform help center. If unresolved, contact support with screenshots and course ID for faster assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.